So I just got my Durston X-Mid Pro 2 tent back from a repair company. Now, for those of you who don't know, I took my new Durston tent on an overnight backpacking trip, and the sole purpose of this trip was just to test out the tent, just to see what it was like, to get used to setting it up. Unfortunately, we were in some very high winds, and a tree limb fell out of the tree and landed on my tent. Now, I am very blessed. I did not get hurt in any way, but it did put a nice size hole in my brand new Durston. So we reached out to Durston. They recommend a repair company called Rainy Pass Repair. There are 2 locations in the United States, one in Washington State and then one in North Carolina. We sent the tent to a Rainy Pass Repair in North Carolina. They were very easy to work with. They communicated with us very well. I was very impressed actually with the company. They sent us emails. They told us, they gave us an estimate of how much it would cost. They told us that it was next in line. Once it was finished, they let us know that, and they then shipped it back to us with a tracking number so that we could track it. Anyway, I am going to take it outside now and set it up and just see what the repair looks like. I believe they patched it, so I want to check that out, and I thought I would show you guys as well. All right, so here it is, and it's obvious that you can see the patch there. I really didn't know what to expect. The company says it repairs high quality outdoor gear, and it uses some high quality fabrics. This is not the same dynamic fiber that is used for the tent. However, it is good quality material. I don't really know, I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it is seamed, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside because it does look like it has been sealed. So that's very important. And it also doesn't appear to diminish the quality or the integrity of the tent. It hasn't changed the pitch. It is still nice and taut, still nice and firm and sturdy, so that's good. All right, so here it is from inside. Not sure you can tell from the video, but it definitely is seam sealed, so that's important. So overall, I would say that I'm very pleased with how Rainy Pass Repair Company fixed my tent. Like I said, I really didn't know what to expect. I think I did have some high hopes that maybe you wouldn't be able to tell, but I think that's probably pretty unrealistic. One positive is I'll be able to tell my Durston tent from other Durston tents. So there's that. So that's all there is to this video. I just really wanted to show you guys what my tent looked like after it was repaired. Rainy Pass Repair Company really does offer quite a few services. They repair backpacks and sleeping bags and sleeping pads, and they offer a lot actually. So if you're interested, you might want to go check them out, and I'll leave you the information for them in the description box below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.